Hi all, this is Virgin Jabba, Assistant Professor of Physics, Holy Cross College, Nagarkoil. Today our topic is refraction through lenses. Let us enter into the video.
Hi all. The topic we are going to deal today is refraction through lenses. Lenses are made of transparent materials like glass or plastic. Each of a lens two faces is part of a sphere and can be convex or concave. If a lens is thicker at the center than the edges, it is a convex or converging lens. That is, parallel rays will converge to meet at the focus. A lens which is thinner in the center than the edges is a concave or diverging lens, that is, rays going through it will be spread out. The converging lens as well as the diverging lens is shown in the figure at the right side. Lenses and images. Light rays that enter a converging lens parallel to its axis bend to meet at a point called the focal point. The distance from the center of the lens to that focal point is called the focal length. The optic axis usually goes through the center of the lens. The focal point, the focal length, and the optical axis are clearly mentioned in the figure below. The image formed by a lens. A lens can form a virtual image as well as a real image. Virtual image is the image just as a mirror do. So, rays from the same point on an object are bent by the lens so that they appear to come from a much larger object. So, the image appears will be as a virtual image. A converging lens can also form a real image. In a real image, light rays from the object actually come back together. There are two types of lenses, that is converging lens and diverging lens. The focus of the converging lens and diverging lens are shown in the figure, and the focal point of those converging and diverging lenses are clearly mentioned in the figure. So, converging lens or convex lens has the property that when a beam of rays parallel to the axis passes through the lens, the rays converge to a point F2 and form a real image at that point. Here, F1 and F2 are shown in the figure clearly. So, the second focal point F2 is the point to which incoming parallel rays converge, and F is the focal length measured from lens center. Always the focal point will be and the focal length will be positive for converging lens. Diverging lens or concave lens. The beam of parallel rays incident on this lens diverges after refraction. So it is called a negative lens. The converging lens or the convex lens is called a positive lens, and the diverging lens or a concave lens is called the negative lens. The focal length of a diverging lens is a negative quantity. So in diverging lens, the first focal point is shown in figure B, that is rays converging on this point emerge from the lens parallel to the axis. And the second focal point is shown in figure A, that is the point from which parallel incident rays appears to diverge. So for a thin lens, F is for a diverging thin lens, F is negative. It is shown in the figure clearly. So we know thin lenses are of two types, that is converging lens and diverging lens. So any lens that is thicker at its center than its edges are called converging lens, and any lens that is thicker at its edges than at its center are called diverging lens. So different types of converging lens or different forms of converging lens and diverging lens are given here. So meniscus, plano-convex and double convex are different forms of converging lens, and meniscus, plano-concave and double concave are different forms of diverging lenses. Thank you.